Welcome to Hypnosis with Danie, where today we will be exploring a guided meditation to help focus and eliminate distractions. Let's begin by finding a comfortable place where you can just relax for a moment. Whether you're lying or sitting in a chair, find a position that you can remain in for the next several minutes. And as you begin to relax in to this comfortable position, bringing your awareness to the present moment, let's begin by taking a deep breath in. Hold it for just a moment and release. Once again, inhale, hold, and release. Already beginning to relax both mind and body. Coming into this present moment. And if you haven't already, on this next breath, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. Breathing in that fresh air as you hold it at the top and release. Everyone benefits from increasing their focusing abilities. Every aspect of life could use more focus so that you can complete the task quickly and with high quality. The first most important thing to do that increases your focusing abilities is to eliminate any distractions. In today's world, we are filled with distractions. Many things are competing for our attention. So let's begin exploring how to eliminate distractions by allowing yourself to relax very deeply. Breathing is an essential part, and when we begin to pay attention to our breath, we can decide to breathe on purpose. Our bodies appreciate this extra oxygen, and that we can begin to relax. Now let's begin by taking 10 full, deep breaths, allowing for each breath to relax you even further. Beginning with 1, breathing deeply, allowing your belly to expand, and exhale, letting the air simply escape. 2, take in a full breath of fresh air and let go, allowing yourself to feel very relaxed. 3, make your breaths meaningful and exhale, just letting the air go. 4, focusing only on your breath and let it go. Nothing else matters right now except breathing. 5. Fully focusing as you breathe in. And when you let it go, you feel extremely relaxed. 6. Breathing all of your focus in to that very special breath. And releasing, letting all your worries go. 7. Breathe with passion. And exhale, letting that wave of relaxation come over you. 8. The only thing that matters is your breath. Focus on it and let it go. Let it go all the way out. 9. Expand your belly as much as you possibly can as you breathe in. And exhale, letting your belly fall. And 10. This is the last one, so make it really good and completely full. And when you let it go, you feel so invigorated from simply breathing. Allow your breath now to return to a slower and normal flow. No need to change anything about it, just allow. Simply watch your belly as it still rises and falls. Maybe not as much as it was when you were fully breathing. When you inhale naturally, I wonder if you can imagine that you are able to breathe all the way into your toes. Feel as if when you breathe, the oxygen travels down to each one of your toes. And when you let this breath go, your entire legs become light and relaxed, almost as if they are supported by clouds. Good. And now, imagine that when you inhale, you are breathing all the way into each fingertip. Feel how your fingers feel when you are imagining your breath extends all the way to the tips. And on the exhale, your entire arms relax, so they feel light, light as a feather. You're doing so good. Now, with the power of your imagination, see the next breath you take going all the way up your body and into your head, relaxing your mouth your eyes, nose, ears. And when you exhale, you feel light and relaxed, like you are floating on water. Breathe in and feel the breath going to your forehead, relaxing away any worry, any worrisome facial expressions that you may have carried. And allow the next breath to fill your entire head, relaxing your brain and your mind. Your head has never felt this relaxed before. Neither has your mind. Your mind is relaxed and gently open. Now that your entire body and mind are relaxed, I want you to feel how focused you are right now on this relief that you created in yourself. You were just now very focused on breathing and visualizing that your entire body loosened and feels pleasant. You were just now very focused on breathing and visualizing that your entire body loosened and feels pleasant. This is the power of focus and how it changes anything you put it towards. So just let your mind drift and wander. You don't even have to listen to these words too carefully. You deeply hear everything I am telling you without having to try to listen at all. When it is time for you to focus, you must calm your body and brain first. Get comfortable whenever you are, wherever you are, and simply do some breathing exercise. And imagine the breath going into all areas of your body as well as your mind. And after this task is complete, and you find you are noticeably more relaxed, get a good understanding about where your focus needs to be. If you have to do some work on the computer, get everything you need first, like a glass of water or a cup of coffee, and turn on or off whatever lights you need. You want to eliminate any distractions so that once you begin your task, you can be fully focused and nothing will take your mind elsewhere. Take care of anything that needs to be done, like chores or phone calls, before beginning your task. Our phones and other devices are very good at distracting us. So when you are ready to begin your task, put your devices, your phones, your tablets on airplane mode, or maybe even power them off if you're able to, so that no new notifications act as a lure, taking your attention away. If you are working on your computer, don't keep any tabs or windows open that are not specifically for the task you are working on. Visiting social media can be detrimental to your focus. These sites are designed to distract you. They have entire teams that formulate how their product can distract more and more people throughout their day. Successfully eliminating potential distractions can allow for your focus to become precise as a laser. Making sure you have everything you need and any pressing task completed before you begin is also extremely important. If something else alerts your mind that needs you to do something or finish something, maybe even set a date for something. You might find that putting it on a piece of paper, writing it down, will allow you to put your worries aside. Now, you can allow yourself to come back to the present moment and bringing all of this clarity and focus back with you as you continue on with your day. Becoming aware of your surroundings in 5, 4, 3, taking as much time as you need, maybe even wiggling your toes and your fingers. 2, feeling more and more alert. And 1, fully alert, fully alert, fully awake, wide awake now. You can find that you have become better at eliminating distractions, allowing for your focus to move you forward in life each time you sit down and listen to this meditation. Remember to like this video and come back to it as often as you need to eliminate focus, eliminate distractions, and focus on what you need to do at hand. Enjoy the rest of your day, my friend.